After a year of waiting, after months of hype, it's time to rock and roll. Bud Bowl 2. Later today on CBS.
Did you see the commercial for the wine coolers? The black cherry wine coolers?
Rock and roll is okay.
They were taking a blimp over that. He goes, we got the black.
Shady Acres was supposed to get
It's like this. Did you see that commercial? He goes,
I think Janet likes to shake her breast in front of video.
I love
You see that? Get her closer. Get her closer.
Well, the only thing is, once you start
They're in a blimp. You know, the two guys that do the wine cooler thing?
You are looking live at Bud Bowl 2 as unbeaten Budweiser battles undefeated Bud Light in what's become known as the War.
Let's go down to the locker rooms.
You guys are the king. Now let's go turn out their lights. We've waited all year for this. Let's go knock them on their buzz.
A lot of emotion bottled up in there.
What about today's matchup?
Well, you got the big arm of Bud Light's Budway Joe versus Budweiser's explosive Beechwood backs, Billy Bud and Bobby Bud.
But the big question is how Bud Light will stop Bud's appliance of defiance, the freezer.
The cans are going wild.
And here comes the king of beer.
And the one light that outshines them all.
We'll be back with Bud Bowl 2
Right after this.
Cans are recyclable. You aren't.
We're back at Bud Bowl 2. It's been a crisp, cold first quarter.
And they're even calling for ice and snow.
Budweiser's ball on the Bud Light 48.
23!
Pitch to Billy Bud.
Whoa, it's a Beechwood rollout.
Uh-oh, flags everywhere.
We have illegal use of hands.
Hands? What hands? You give me a
At the end of a controversial first quarter, it's Bud Light 13, Budweiser 3.
We'll be back.
Jos juo viinaa, niin tulee hummalaan. Ja silloin joka voi lyödä vaikka. Vähän menee sekaisin. No minä tekisin niin, että juoksisin karkuun. Että ei löisi. No en oikein tiedä mitä varten lyö sitten, mutta päissään aina lyö vaikka ei hauskaan lyödä. Jos minä olisin kotona niin ja mun isä ja äiti alkaisi huutaa valtavasti, niin mä mieluummin pelästyisin niin kauheasti, että mä hyppäisin heti omaan huoneeseen ja iskisin oven kiinni. Mun mielestä ne voi välillä lyödäkin. Voi lyödä toisia, kun on ihan kännissä. Ja meidän äiti välillä on kanssa kiukkuinen. Mä huudan vain sängystä, että on hiiliä, mutta siitä se ei kuitenkaan ole. No siitä, kun se on kännissä tai niin kuin se on niin humalassa, niin silloin kun se on juonut, niin se on ihan vapaasti, mutta siitä herämöke koko ajan. Voihan niitä olla ilosiakin.
We're back, and the war is heating up.
Budway Joe has that defense confused. Hey! This Bud's for you!
He's got a beer open.
Oh, what a grab!
What a move!
He faked him out of his label.
Touchdown!
They're whipping our butts.
Stop on the bus to see the light.
Bud Light. At the end of the half, it's Bud Light 20, Budweiser 13. We'll be back. Let's go.
Everybody thinks it's stupid.
500 miles of
You know what? They got
CBS Sports puts you behind the
what they got.
Hi, I'm John LaRoquette, and I'm an alcoholic. Alcohol is a drug, spreading through our schools like wildfire, and abusing it can do terrible things to you. It can wreck your friendships, can make you a liar, can make you a thief, can make you dead. And the more you know about alcoholism, the more you know it can happen to anyone. I know. It almost killed me.
We're back with the Budweiser scoring machine in high gear. Fourth and goal for the Bud Light 3.
They're bringing in you know who.
But wait, Bud Light counters with the washer.
The dryer.
Folks are throwing everything at him, but
No, he's here too.
Kitchen sink!
freezer.
No, it's Bobby Bud.
Touchdown! At the end of the third quarter, it's Bud Light 34, Budweiser 30.
It's really starting to snow.
Isä on kertonut, että minkälaisia humalaiset on. Se on vissiin joskus nähnyt humalaisia.
Se oli joku humalainen, kun me mentiin kylään. Mä menin vahingossa väärään kylään. Ne on juonut kauheasti viinaa. Ne tappeli vähän. Kaveri on kertonut, että ne kaataa viinaa päälle, kun ne oli humalainen. Että ne kaataisi mun päälle viinaa.
Mutta ihan se miten jos viinaa päälle kaataa, ihan se humala seksittee vaikka päälle kaataisi viinaa.
Ne juo kauheasti viinaa, niin siksi ne kaahtuu.
Silloinhan ne voi vaikka lyödä toista ja silloin sekin on onnettomuus, jos lyö toista.
Jos juo paljon, niin tulee kiukkunen olo. Jos juo vähän viinaa, niin sitten ei tule vihasta ja kiukkusta olo.
We're back, and we got us a blizzard here at Bud Bowl.
For Budweiser, it's down to one last play. 3 seconds left. They're down by 4.
Come on, guys. Don't fizzle out on me now.
They need a touchdown.
They need a miracle.
Blue, 33!
It's loose in the end zone.
Who's got it? Budweiser! Bud's got it! They win!
With a miraculous last-second comeback, it's Budweiser 36, Bud Light 34.
Freezer, back-to-back titles. How did you do it?
Let me tell you, man, nothing beats a Bud.